Rosario. Welcome back, Rose Van Jingle, Meg Imperial, Jairus Aquino. We have Lance Carr, Miss Suzette Ramiro, Miss Bernadette Allison, Miss Gay Fiction, Sir Rolly Inocencio. Ayan, para kasyang-kasya kayo dyan sa stage. Direk Ronnie, please be at the middle po, malapit sa ating mga stars. Thank you very much. And this time, it's your time to take their photos. Sila po ang... Kamusta ang araw mo ngayon? Na-traffic ka ba?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Pero dahil nagsisigawan na sila, batiin mo na silang lahat ngayon.
Hi, good evening guys. Hello. Hi there. Hi Pat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat yun. Andito ako to support syempre may mga co-actors, may mga friends ko from University Series. Ayun, sana supportahan natin. Lapit na, mag-showing na. Nationwide po yan. Ayun, I'm expecting more of the jump scares and mga hiyawan, sigawan.
Ayan. At bukod syempre ang sigawan, sila din nagsisigawan. Kaya mag-picture na tayo ngayon. Para naman, ikaw lang, solo. Solo yan. Go Jerome, kaya mo na yan. Bigyan mo kami ng gwapong-gwapo mong pose dyan. Once again, Jerome Ponce, everyone. Jerome on this side. Thanks. Not chasing in the wild. God love man.
Good luck to all of them, honestly. I'm excited to see the performances from them.
Hello,
And I'm really curious to see if I can forget them as a real-life person. And they start becoming the character. So,
Guys, please, dito ngayon sa SM na naman.
Hello po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. And maraming salamat po sa pagbigay ng time. I hope you guys are doing good. And yep, so excited to watch the Rosario. Excited na ba kayo?
Excited na din kami. Gusto namin makita kung paano ka matakot. Ayan. Sakto-sakto. Kukunan namin yan. Akin na yung microphone, Gab. Go! In 3, 2, 1! Gab lang man takot na takot. At sana matakot ka palalo. Gab, ay binalik ko talaga sa iyo yung mic. Pasensya na. Okay, go! Go, Gab! Enjoy the film. Aabangan pa. At ngayon, ito naman ang aabangan nyo pa. Grabe, sumusuporta sa pelikula Rosario. Siyempre kung kanina nakita nyo, ilala yung nasa University Series na bida natin, tatlong lalaki na yun. Ngayon naman, ang makakasama natin ay sila. Hello! Congratulations sa University Series. Ngayon naman nandito sila para suportahan ang mga kaibigan nila sa Rosario. Please say hello to everyone.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello, good evening everybody.
Hello everyone!
Excited na ba kayo mapanood ang Rosario?
Yes, very excited kasi gusto ko nang matakot sa pagmumukha ni Jairus.
Ay! Kay Jairus talaga! Ang Jivers! Andito si Nicole ngayon. Kayong dalawa, mahilig ba kayo sa horror movie? Direct?
Of course.
Of course.
Bring your friends, September 5 na po.
August 5! Direct!
August 5.
It's a prank!
Advance
It's a
tayo
prank.
masyado. August 5.
Siyempre excited na ako sumigaw, lalo na I love horror. And gusto ko rin siyempre supportahan yung mga kaibigan ko, kumbaga sa yun.
Ang sweet, di ba? Nandito talaga sila. Ngayon, hindi naman sweet ang ipapakita natin. Takot. Please face your cameras and show us your best takot na face. In 3, 2, 1! Matatakot kayo sa ganda at gwapo nila talaga. Oh, di ba? Enjoy the film! Dito po tayo on the side. Ang sexy naman yung Rose Bench. Ayan na. Congratulations! Ay, yung hair. Parang, oo nga, nagulat kaming lahat sa short hair. Pero bagay na bagay. Ngayon naman, gusto naming malaman, bagay na bagay ba sa'yo yung Rosario?
Feeling ko bagay na bagay. And abangan niyo si Rosario. Sino kaya yun?
Sino pa si Rosario kasi?
Again, thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta at sa mga manonood ng Rosario. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na itag din kami and sana magustuhan niyo ang aming pinaghirapan na pelikula, lalo na si Rosario. Uy! Love you all guys. Thank you so much for being here.
Ayan na, si Rose Vanjie ka lang aabangan natin sa pelikulang to. Ngayon, Rose, kukunin ko muna ang microphone dahil ang outfit na yan deserve ng isang photo op. Okay, mag-photo shoot muna tayo dyan. Mga 3 photos. 30 photos. Ayan na, abangan natin ang Rose Vanjie ka. Isa pa daw, Rose, isa pa daw picture. Oh, nagagalit na isa dito. Isa pang photo na. Okay, congratulations! At mamaya akyat ka pa uli dito. Grabe diba? Ang sexy. Ang ganda ng hair. Bouncy! Hello, Meg! Hello, hello! At yung microphone mo parating na. Wait lang. Eto na. Batiin mo naman lahat ng mga fans and supporters ngayon dito.
Hello! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat and maraming salamat for coming here and supporting the film Rosario.
May tumawag sa'yo ng kambal. Payag ka ba?
Hello!
Ngayon naman, Meg, gusto namin malaman sino ba yung character mo dito?
Character ko dito, ako dito si Magda. Magkakapatid kami dito nila Aubrey, nila Jairus, and Yumi. So yun dapat nilang abangan kasi syempre iikot yun sa family namin, yung Rosario na to.
Oo, iikot sa pamilya nila. So, gusto namin malaman, tatakutin mo ba kami o ikaw ang matatakot?
Tingnan, abangan nila. Dapat
Abangan.
mapanood nila.
Dapat mapanood
Dapat
ninyo. Congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone.
And now, let's take your photo dahil ang ganda-ganda ng iyong outfit today. Looking gorgeous, hot, sexy, and beautiful, and fresh. Meg Imperiales Magda on Rosario. Meg, careful going down. Takot.
Yun ang dapat nilang malaman.
Ayun. Yun
Kasi
ang dapat.
maraming bagay na mangyayari sa character ko.
At bago pa ma-spoil ang lahat, imbitahan mo na silang lahat manood, Jairus.
Ayun po sa lahat ng mga nandito, inibitahan ko po kayo to please watch and support our movie Rosario this coming August 5 na po yan in cinemas nationwide. Thank you so much po. Good night. Magandang gabi po.
There you have it, Jairus Aquino. Isang photo ang muna, Jairus. Okay. There you have it. One more photo. Let's go, everybody. Let's hello. Hello, congratulations. Kamusta? Parang excited na excited ka ngayon. I-share mo naman ang excitement mo sa aming lahat.
Oh, grabe, Di ko na-expect ganito karaming taong pupunta, sumusuporta sa amin, kaya maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat. Sa lahat ng pumunta na fandoms. I love you guys, my family, galing pang Davao, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And yeah, just blessed to be part of 2 films in a year. Last one was Minamahal. And then ngayon po, dito po sa harapan nyo, with Rosario po, kaya maraming salamat po talaga.
Dahil ang dami mong characters na pinlay, gusto namin malaman, sino ka ba dito sa Rosario?
I'm playing the role of Caleb. So tingnan natin kung mananakot pa si Caleb or hindi.
Ayan na si Caleb ba ay katatakutan natin? Kakikiligan? O secret na yung iba? Okay, again, let's go everybody, let me grab the microphone, please face. Oh, ginuha ko talaga camera. Let's go! Dito tayo sa kabila. Ayan. Andito na ang gorgeous, beautiful, sexy, and talented, of course. Congratulations sa iyo, Aubrey. Batiin mo na silang lahat.
Hello everybody! Are you guys okay pa? Maraming salamat for making it tonight. Thank you for supporting everybody, lahat po dito ng cast ng Rosario. Thank you for supporting our film. And I hope po na panoorin yung pelikula namin this August 5 in cinemas nationwide. And I hope na pag napanood niyo po yung film, please spread the word. Like mga reviews niyo po, honest reviews or good reviews. Kayo na po ang bahala to help us na mas ma-promote pa po ang Rosario. Thank you guys! I love you all!
Aubrey Caraan, everybody! Isang photo muna. Aubrey, tanggalin natin yung microphone para maganda ang shot. Aubrey Caraan, everyone! Okay, Aubrey, please face our official camera. In 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! And this time I'd like to invite, of course, the cast. And show your support by posting all their photos and videos of our event today on your socials, including our visual hashtags, hashtag Rosario and hashtag Rosario Premiere. By the way, this film Rosario is rated R13 by the MTRCB. That means 13 years old and above po ang pwede manood. Kaya naman, simulang August 5, sabay-sabay nating suportahan at panoorin at sabihin tayo ng takot sa sinahan. Sabay-sabay sa August 5 at Wednesday na lang na. And this time, while they are going up to their seats, here is the OMD warning. The critical and commercial success of recent local movies clearly indicates that Filipino moviegoers embrace not only high-budget movies but also independent films with unique stories to be told. However, in order for such films to continue to be made, the intellectual property and all attached rights of the filmmakers have to be respected. This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie Rosario is a violation of the Public Act No. 1088 Anti-Copyright Act of 2010 and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the movie constitute acts violating the Public Act No. 1893 Intellectual Property Code and is likewise punishable by imposition of fines and imprisonment. The producers of Rosario shall exercise all its rights and available remedies to impose civil and criminal liabilities against any pirates. The producers shall also ensure that these pirates shall be punished to the full extent of the law. The cooperation of the public is sought to report any unauthorized and illegal links to legal@viva.com.ph. Once again, in short po, please silent phone and don't take photos and videos.